All right, so the spare tire holder was originally right here. I wasn't a big fan of it. It had this big ugly light that came up. I'd rather just this be one piece of metal, one color, and take these bumpers off. And then put a nice little brake light in here using the old wire. So what I was thinking I'd like to do is make my own spare tire holder, almost crisscross a chain from there to there, and then from there straight across to meet the chain in the middle, and weld the chain so it's like a hardened chain, and then put some kind of like bolts to where I could bolt the spare tire to the top of that, and it would be a little bit at an angle like that. So this part would be taken up, but all this would be free. This is the chain I was going to use. I ordered 24 feet of this, two separate 12 feet pieces, and then just like cutting the tip of this off and welding it to the side, one of those sidebars, to make it look like it's, you know, hooked into the bars. And then having the chains go across, but welding each link so that they're strong chains and they hold. So if we're pretending this is the Jeep in the end, this is kind of what it would look like. This would be obviously behind the tire. You see the chains here, but it would be something like that where it kind of looks like the hooks are into the thing, into the bars, but they're actually just welded and cut at the tip. Something like that. Anyway, I need your input. Give me your ideas. Thank you.